So hello and welcome to another Feature Friday. We are going to be working with Application Suite 9.1 here. So if you have meters defined to an asset or a location in Manage, and at the same time, you can also have Monitor update those meter readings by way of the data that it might be ingesting for its metrics. So again, let's assume that you have Application Suite Monitor 9.1 and you have data coming in by way of the device definitions. Let's go ahead and open up Monitor and start the fun. Okay, if you are new to Monitor, this may go a little quick, but basically we have some dashboards here that are showing data that's coming in from a weather station. So I'm going to open up the weather station dashboard here. And you can see that we are bringing in wind speed, and behind the scenes we are bringing in temperature, and we've got a couple of temperature alerts here as well. So how do we connect Monitor to the meters that might be on our assets? Well, we will go to Monitor, Setup, Assets Monitor, and I'm going to find my asset, and there it is. Here's my weather station asset. And just for fun, let's take a look at some of the metrics that are coming in. So we have battery levels, temperature, here's wind speed. I'll go ahead and click on wind speed since we're kind of focused on that. And here's a chart of the data that has come in over time. And we can see it in a chart view, we can see it in a data table, a number of things that we can do there. Okay, and then we get into the devices themselves. Okay, you can see that we have these are the devices that are representing the sensors that are on the weather station. And then you have a tab called Meters Mapping. This is where the work is. So on the Meters Mapping tab, you can see that I have 2 of the 3 already mapped. So here is the meter name that is coming from the asset in Manage. Here's the metric in Monitor. Here's the device representing the sensors. And then, of course, there's a device type, which is categorizing sensors and things like that. So 2 of them have already been done. You can see there is a third one here. And to start the mapping process, you simply click on Map Metrics, and there is a wizard that will walk you through to connect the right device and the metric to the meter. 2 steps, click, click, and you're done. So now, as the data comes in this case each hour, the meter readings get updated on the asset in Application Suite Manage. So let's go look at that. So if I go over here to Manage, and I open up Assets, we're now in familiar territory here. And I go find my asset, and I go look at meters. Here are my 3 meters, and we'll focus on wind speed here. And you can see that I have a very current meter reading that just came through. And if I look at the temperature one, I also have a very current meter reading that has come through to the meter. So, ta-da, there you go. We have connected data coming in by way of Monitor to meters within asset records that are in Manage. So hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you next week. Stay current, my friends.